Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Proton Mail. What is Proton Mail? Well, it is an end-to-end encrypted email service that prides itself on providing increased security and privacy for its users. So the first thing you will need to do is go onto proton.com. Once on proton.com, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see create a free account. After tapping on create a free account, you will be redirected to this page, and from here, whether you're an individual or you like to create an email account for a business, you can select that, and you can see the different plans that they offer. And we are going to tap right where you see Proton Free, and this will allow you to get up to 1 gig total storage, 1 free email address, and 150 messages per day. If you would like more storage or more email addresses, you can select one of their paid plans. So we are going to select the free plan, and you can see that you don't need a credit card. All you'll need to do is tap on Get Proton for free. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page on which you can start your sign up process. So all you will need to do is enter your username. So let me enter my username real quick. So I'm going to add in simple answers real quick. Then I'm going to create a password. So let's create a password. Then repeat the passcode. Then tap on create account. Once you have tapped on create account, you are going to give it a few seconds. Then you're going to fill out the CACHI right here. I am human. Then you can see it is creating your account. Then you can choose your display name. Then tap on next. Then from here, you can enter in a recover phone number, or you can enter a recover email address. I will do that later on, so I'm going to tap on maybe later, then tap on confirm. Signing up, you'll be redirected to this dashboard as you can see right here, and you can choose the theme that you would like to use, whether you want the regular theme or you can choose classic if you want, but I'll stick to the regular one. Then I'm going to tap on next. And after you're finished, you'll tap on get started, and you can see how your dashboard looks right here. So on the left hand menu option, you have new message, meaning if you would like to create a new email. You have your inbox, drafts, sent, and also starred. And if we were to tap on more, you'll be able to view your archived emails, your spam emails, trash, and you can tap on all right here. But let's say we want to create a new email. All we'll need to do is tap on new message in the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on new message, from here you could type in the person's email address, and you can also tap on CC if you would like to add some other persons or some other email addresses. You could tap on CC right there. Then you are going to type in your subject. Once you have typed in your subject, you can go down to the body of the email right here. And from here, you can choose the font style that you like to use and the font size, as you can see right here. And also, if you would like to change the color of the text, you can do that. And you can see all of the features that you can use. If you would like to insert a link, you can also do that. And if tapping on the 3 dots right here, you can insert an image if you want. And also, if you would like to insert a file, all you have to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner, right where you see the attachments icon, and you will simply tap on that to add an attachment. Once you are finished creating your email, you will tap on send. And if you would like to remove this section that says sent with Proton email, you can simply copy the entire section right here, or select the entire section better yet. Then tap on clear to remove it. After you have done that, you will see it saved in sent email, and you can go into your inbox again by tapping on inbox right here. Then you can read your messages by tapping on the particular message that you would like to read, as you can see right here. And again, this layout is similar to Google. So if you would like to delete the message, all you'll have to do is tap on the trash can right there. And by going up to the top right hand corner, you will see the settings cog. You could tap on it. Then you could tap on go into settings. Once in settings, I will show you some more features that you can edit depending on your liking. So the first thing you want to do, once on this page, I want you to pay attention to the left hand menu option. And by the way, you can check out your storage right here to see how much space you have left. But by going over to the left hand menu option, you can see recover. You could tap on that if you would like to recover any lost data, as you can see right here. And you can also change the language and time by tapping on language and time. So you can change the language from English to any other language you'd want. And you can also change the time format by tapping right there. And if you would like to check out the security and privacy feature of Protonmail, all you have to do is tap on security and privacy. Then from here, you can see your current session or any of the previous sessions that you have. And you can also see your sign-in time right there and all of that. And to change your password or so on, all you would have to do is tap on account and password. Then from here, you can choose your display name. You can change your display name. You can change your password if you want. And also, if you would like to enable 2-password mode, you can do that. And you can see 2-password mode requires 2 passwords, one to sign into your account and one to decrypt your mailbox. So you can set that up if you want. Or if you would like to enable 2-factor authentication, you can do that. And by the way, I've seen other searches where persons are asking how to delete Protonmail account. All they would have to do is go into account and password, scroll down, then tap right where you see account right here, and you'll be able to delete your account. And if you would like to edit any other settings, you can do that from the left hand menu option. Again, if you would like to edit your appearance, you could tap on appearance right here, and you could change how it looks by selecting any one of these options. If you would like to edit the identity and addresses, you can do that. And you can see right here, you'll be able to add a signature to your Protonmail. So you can add a signature right there if you want. Then tap on update if you would like to do that. So you could add your signature if you want. And also, you can set up auto reply by tapping on auto reply right here. And you'll be able to toggle it on. But to do that, you will need to go onto the paid plan. And you can also tap on domain names. But again, to set up domain names, you'll need to be on one of the paid plans on Proton. And by the way, to go onto their paid plans, let's check it out. So we can view the paid plans right here. It starts off at £3.49, as you can see here. And it goes up to £7.99. And with a paid plan of £3.49, you will be able to get 15 gigs storage, 10 email addresses, unlimited folder and labels, and unlimited messages per day. And if you were to go up to the £8 per month, you'll get 500 gigs storage, 15 email addresses, and unlimited folders and unlimited messages per day. So if that sounds good to you, you can definitely upgrade. But for the basic person, you can stick to the basic plan, which is the free plan. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. And by the way, if you would like to set recovery phrase, all you have to do is go up to the top right hand corner, tap on your profile name, then you could tap on set recovery phrase if you want. And if you would like to add another email address, all you have to do is tap on add account to add a second email address. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.